Psalm 9a, the hope of the poor. Against the unjust attacks of enemy nations. Against poverty. Against thieves. Against serious illnesses. With all my heart, Lord, I will give thanks. I will tell of your innumerable wonders. For you, I will exult, I will dance. I will celebrate your name, Most High God. My enemies have retreated. Before your face they fall and perish. You have pleaded my right and my cause. You have sat, you have judged with justice. You threaten the nations, you destroy the wicked. Forever you erase their name. The enemy is finished, ruined forever. You have raised cities, their memory has perished. But the Lord sits forever. To judge, he strengthens his throne. He judges the world with justice. And governs the people with righteousness. Let it be the fortress of the oppressed. His fortress in hours of anguish. They who know your name will lean on you. You never abandon, Lord, those who seek you. Celebrate the Lord who sits in Zion. Announce his exploits among the peoples. Mindful of the blood shed, he remembers. He does not forget the cry of the unfortunate. Have mercy on me, Lord. See the harm my adversaries have done to me. You who rescue me from the gates of death. And I will speak your countless praises. At the gates of Zion. I will dance for joy for your victory. They have fallen, the pagans, into the pit that they dug. In the nets they set, their feet were caught. The Lord has made himself known, he has pronounced judgment. He traps the wicked. Let the wicked return to the dead. All the nations who forget the true God. But the poor are not forgotten. Always. The hope of the unfortunate never perishes. Arise, Lord, let not a mortal be the strongest. Let the nations be judged before your face. Strike them with terror, Lord. Let the nations recognize themselves as mortal. Amen.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. Thanks for your support.